Okay guys, so welcome to my YouTube channel. I finally had the courage to do it. Well, my husband and I were playing 8-ball and I told him if I win him, which I never do, if I win him this time, I'm gonna post my first YouTube channel. And guess what? I won him. He obviously purposely wanted me to do this, but yeah. My husband and my best friend has been encouraging me to post YouTube videos, and guess what the first video is going to be about? You guessed it. It's gonna be about these eyebrows because I didn't feel like, you know, putting a whole face of makeup today. But yeah guys, please don't hate me. It's my first time. I'm trying my best. I'm being myself. You guys don't know how I am in person. Here you are. This is the full experience. But yeah, let's see what we're gonna do first. Alright guys. Okay guys, so I learned this YouTube hack. Well, I learned this thing from a YouTuber named Haley. I'm actually a fan of her. She does like makeup videos, you know, Q&As and stuff like that, but she uses a gel to put it on her eyebrows, and literally it's a life changer. Because if you want more natural looking eyebrows, girl, let me tell you. So you put a little bit of gel into your eyebrow hair and just like let it sit there. You use like a brush or whatever, let it sit for a bit so your hair can stand up more, so it can look more natural. So what I do is I do that, and when the gel's about to dry, I angle my hair towards this side. Do you guys see that? Look at this shit. Like, yeah, so I do that. I'm gonna do it to the other side now. Obviously everybody's eyebrows are different, but I thought this worked for me, so I'm just going to share my experience. Okay, and then I'm going to use this pencil, this eyebrow pencil. I got it from Amazon. I think it's a Korean brand or something, but this is what I use. And then there's this brush on the other side, so literally when you're shaping it, it's all in one. Girl, I think this was like a few dollars, but yeah. So this is what I'm going to do. I am going to shape it. I actually like to make it look more natural, so I like to add, you know, give it a few lines. And then I'm going to work my way down. I totally see a difference already, and I just started this. I don't think I can go back. Girl, look at this. Ooh, okay. Ooh, okay. So, this is exactly what I do. Just gonna use this brush and basically, you know, ooh, okay, look at this. You guys are probably like, what the hell, your eyebrows don't even look that bad. Or you're like, oh, she got no eyebrows. I don't know how everyone's opinion is, but I might just put both scenarios out there, you know. But yeah, I'm gonna do this. Obviously, we all learning in some type of way when it comes to this thing. But yeah, look at this. I might do the other side now. If you keep looking at them, somehow they start moving on you. Girl, you guys know that's the truth, because you start thinking like, oh, they're not matching up, and the next thing you know, one's like long lost cousins or something. You need them to look like sisters, okay? So we're gonna try our best. I'm not gonna like overthink my eyebrows, because I feel like every time I overthink it, they get darker for some reason. Or like one's Mount Everest and one's like down here. I don't know what other mountain there is out there, but yeah. Let me tell you guys something. I watch YouTube because I think a lot of people in this world are talented AF, and they give me life. Like, girl, if you think about all the miserable things happen in your life, girl, you guys just need to watch YouTube videos, because their personalities be killing it. Like, they be making you laughing, crying, they give you all types of emotions. Let me tell you something. That's what I do, and this is why I'm doing this video today, because honestly, let me tell you guys why I did this video today. Just one moment. Bam. Right now, they sisters. But yeah, look at this. Wow. Yeah, exactly. She's smart, let me tell you, girl. Look at this. I didn't even use concealer yet, but that's gonna be my next step, so let's do it. Obviously, everyone's shade is different. I'm using Huda's Beauty concealer, the Overachiever concealer. That's what I'm using, and I am in the shade Cotton Candy, so that's 08B. I'm just gonna use a little bit. I just want my eyebrows to pop out a bit, you know what I mean? And this concealer is expensive, but guess what? Got it for my birthday, boo. My best friend gave it to me. She's the best thing in the world. And she's been like telling me to do this YouTube thing, but I'm always against it because, you know, insecurities. Everybody know why. But yeah. So this is what I'm going to do. They're not wrong when they telling you that Huda's Beauty's concealer, it really covers up. Look how much, girl. So I don't know how you guys like to do it, but I usually like to let my concealer sit for a bit so it can give that little highlight right there before I actually blend it in. So that's exactly what I'm going to do. I'm gonna look like somebody painted on my face, but here it goes. This is what I'm going to do. You know how people say let it bake? Girl, that's why I do with my concealer. Oops, baby hair. Anyways. Alright guys, 1 second. Okay. See that? Ooh. Look. Anastasia's Glow Kit. So I use the shade Bubbly, and I just like, after my concealer, you know, set in, put a little here. Yo, like, You see how far I am from the camera? Look at this. Look at that glow. Bro, like, look. What? They're not playing when they say this glow could be working. But yeah. This is the end of my makeup tutorial. I don't feel like beating my face today because I'm too lazy to clean it out later. But I am going to give you guys a quick after. You know, I'm gonna try to like make things look a little, instead of like my messy bun and these eyebrows. Just one moment, I'll be right back. So that was the end of my video. I really hope you guys liked it. If you did, please subscribe to my channel and continue to support me in this YouTube path that I actually finally decided to take. Obviously it's not the best thing in the world for a first try, but I definitely tried my best and I really appreciate your time. I will also link my Instagram at the bottom. But yeah, see you guys in my next video.